guys, it's Stephanie Sparrow here with my friend Kelly and Petite, and we're going to do the cinnamon challenge. And I know I said in the past that I wasn't ever going to do this again, but here I am. Here we go. So you have to put like a heaping spoonful in there. You're going to make a mess!
Sugar makes the medicine.
It's going everywhere!
That's what she said.
Hold on, I gotta get it on the tip of the spoon.
I think that's what she says. I gotta get it on the tip.
Okay, your turn, Petite. This one doesn't come out very easy.
That's awesome, she says.
Oh, there we go. Okay, I think that's
man.
good. Alright, I'm gonna set this down. Oh god, I just felt mine.
Alright.
Oh, fuck. I can't believe I'm doing this again.
By the way, the Ravens won tonight.
Alright.
Okay.
Spoons up.
Come on.
3, 2, 1.
Cinnamon.
Water! Like, water!
No water allowed.
Oh my god.
She's sitting there saying it was such a great idea for us to do. She's still throwing up.
I think the surprise butt sex caught everybody off guard though.
I never thought I would do it again, but I did. If you guys want to
never
follow me
doing
on my
that.
Instagram and Twitter, I'll leave information on that below. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. Bye.